Krista's speed, so he's going to get off at Winter Road. And yeah. Okay, you can see the guy is now on foot running across this big expanse of the interchange at Winter Road. Police are going to zero in on this guy pretty quick. You can see the patrol cars come out, and this is not going to work out well for him at all in that big open field. Yeah, he's going to be meet by an officer real quick, and a dog. Here goes the dog. Yeah, he's not going to last long like that. Yeah, they're just trying to subdue him right now. The dogs are trained not to necessarily injure him, but just to grab him and to shake him and to keep him from going any further. It's basically just a submission maneuver right there. Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of officers around the car. We'll go ahead and pan over to the car, give you an idea what's going on there. I don't think there's anybody in there that I can tell, but we'll take a look at that. There you go, James, right there. Yeah, good timing there as the canine unit just happened to be at the bottom of that, at the Winter Road ramp off of 435 and was able to meet this guy as he was running towards Winter Road. So, kind of good luck there in the sense that I don't know if this guy was armed or what his intentions were as he came over Winter Road. A lot of times these guys will try to carjack somebody, but boy, Kansas City police all over this and really a great opportunity for that canine to take this guy down. It may have looked kind of bad, Krista, but I'm sure there's no serious injury to that individual. But as these chases go, that was about as good an end to it as you can get. All right, thanks, Denny. You bet. Okay.